Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. Fresh out today, one of the top sellers is called 100 AI Side Hustle Videos with Nano Banana Unrestricted PLR. It's $9.99, $10 for 100 of these side hustle videos. They take you inside. You click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. You can click the product box or the link at the bottom. Bit of a description about unrestricted PLR. You can use them as anything you want. Some upgrade offers that are listed there, and then you click the link at the bottom and you're here. So let's take a quick look inside. Blah, 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 100 videos. They're going to go through them, and I'll see if I can get down. So it is $10, like I was saying, and here's a list of the side hustles. So you can see image editing and cleanup. So they have different categories. Each one will have a video, creative portraits and fun edits. And again, each one of these are showing you how to do each one of the different things. Fashion, beauty, and try-ons, branding and marketing services, printables and digital products. You can see here from cartoon pet portraits to printable wall art to fantasy maps. So all sorts of different ones. Real estate and property. These are another category. And e-commerce and drop shipping, from mock-ups to backgrounds to t-shirt mock-ups and so on. Creators and influencers, YouTube thumbnails, cartoon avatars, kids education and gifts. Each of these has 10. So, and print on demand products, t-shirts, tote bags, poster art, you get the idea. Tons of different ones. 100 different practical side hustle topics. Each one has a video about it, and the whole thing is $10. I'm going to scroll to the bottom. You can see a bit of the videos here. They're going to show you a little bit about each one of these ideas, and I'm just going to scream all the way through. You're going to put all this together. You can sell these. You have complete 100% right to it for $10. So click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. You click the product box at the top or the link at the bottom. You're here. Scroll down. You can grab it for $10. 100 side hustle videos ready to go with PLR.